Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli, da ka education loan, pila ban chukol hau number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila ban yo na barok kidukan
Shen onte ya Durmot Jong Syiem Tirot ha Indira Gandhi Cultural Center ha Dhaka Bangladesh yakni la pentep do Menteri Ketnats Arts and Culture Jong ka Sarkar Jilla wa polling do lingba ka video conferencing ha ka live hui trek unaitung arhaja phulai ha ka bola pentep ba High Commissioner Jakri India sha Bangladesh Uprane Verma ulapha daka jingtho bala ai ya ka jingmenjur lor ka jingtarwa jong Sarkar Meghalaya bante yo mot sa anam jong uniu khlawat ubralong unong yele la joj ubla yakun persai ki phareng bat ubla khlat no hadhaka
haka sau tarik u naitung Julai mentaga Syiem ngilapha ek proposal Shah Sarkar Bangladesh ban snano yau a memorial Jong Tirot haka Indira Gandhi Cultural Center at Dhaka. Di haka arsan tarik mentau benai arsan tarik Julai Mr. Pranay Verma High Commissioner Jong India Bangladesh ulat ho shangi ba ka High Commission Jong India Dhaka kala ra ya ka proposal jongi shaka Ministry of External Affairs but ka Indira Gandhi Cultural Center ICCR Indira Gandhi Cultural Center di ha kane ka communication hapadeng ka High Commission Jong India ha Bangladesh ka Ministry of External Affairs but ka Indira Gandhi Center for Indira Gandhi Cultural Center ki la menjur ba kin aja ka ya kane ka memorial jongi ha kane ka library jong ka ICCR kabadon ha Dhan Mondi kepada ha Dhaka ila menjur ba kin ai jaka yangi ban install ya Durmot life size sculpture lane bust jong bat kadur jong Tirot di ai jingmut shusho ba ya kene library ai ketengno Tirot Memorial Library nang ban ai ban pensaphyang ya jingtip apa deng kinong shong jong ka Bangladesh berkunjung jong India syafang Tirot di ni community ba anda ni nyo ban ya kendu biang ni officials jong Sarkar Jong ha Meghalaya ngin ya coordinate bat director jong ka IGCC Indira Gandhi Cultural Center Dhaka nak benda ban penbit penbiang ya kijing don gam kum ka sculpture ka design terter hadu bangin dala ban poi ban pli ya kane ka library di ni community ba anda ni nyo ban ya kenduk biang ye officials jong ke sarkar la jong ha Meghalaya ngin ya coordinate pat director jong ka IGCC Indira Gandhi Cultural Center Dhaka nak benda ban penbit penbiang ye kijing don gam kum ka sculpture ka design terter hadu bangin dala ban poi ban pli ya kane ka library ka bangin ong ke Tirot Memorial Library harasnom harba laset patok bat Tirot layar di community bayakan ni kam ngin pendap lakuno kuno apo u November lani kadu u December jom mentakasnya kumpa kalau mentang mod kila agree shwa ya ka konsep la agree ban alot ya ka space ka konsep kila menjur ban a ya ka space kila menjur ban a ka ten how Tirot ya ka library kila menjur tindak lat ye hadir ada kita kicik menjur mentah kasih mudah perang sarkar Meghalaya ke Indira Gandhi Cultural Center bat High Commissioner Jong Bangladesh banginya work out akan jing debat kan jing lo siap
Kemudian ini kakam bantai yomat jong Tirot pendapat how bunai Desember ne.
ni community bangun pendek kawat mendak senam dai namar ngilak pendek pro bahkan don ke delegation ke ban lang sya Bangladesh akapol ngipli ya uni umat kata delegation ngi dan kadang long tentative tambah kan untuk community Syiem nanta kinong ilam traditional head nanta bagi perlok maka media tersahaja imapi kasi arngut lai kongut tamla anilam dot oh
Popol squat however to percaya lebih begini kebun penyeng ini umat dong Tirot nomor mencari bakal ada bulan ini proposal kapor Pak Sanbor Sulai kan ini kejuk macam ada bandai kuno
kebagian kalau ada ke correspondence ten hak wajong ba Sanbor te ni ke super lihat kalau bangi pan pada menta ba mendai tambangin bu ya umat jong yang jong Tirot hau library and they bikin ai ka space la ka jong na menta jongi but yang ta ka space pada ngin ai ka ten baik how Tirot ke banlong baik da ka library te kabungut ba kadai ka cipetmai ya ka proposal tangma haka rukam ka ba kam he namar ba nipan baik la ka jong ka library te ya ka library menta ka MBA Ministry of External Affairs ringkat ka Indira Gandhi Cultural Center kila ada menjur bakin alot bat kila ada alot ke space ka basak menta kalong tang bangin ya cakmat bat ka proposal ka bangi community bangin pendap po jom pukut jom mentaksnya the draft new education policy we have included the life stories of freedom fighters of Meghalaya, and we also will be accessing all documents which were lying all this while with the British Museum in London. We will seek the support of scholars like Dr. David Skimley in order to be able to display in the museum, in the library, to display the relevant documents, including the entry of the date of arrest and of the death of Tirot Singh, which Dr. Skimley has been able to access. Yeah.
When this work for this will start in Dhaka?
Work has already started in this in the sense that now we have got the in principle approval we have got the space allotted to us. Now we will only go into the part which is the construction of the life-size bust and the library of Tirot Singh.
Do you think that change of name from Indira Gandhi to Tirot Singh, you'll have to lobby so much? Is it
No,
the
in
name?
fact, they have. I'll just read out from this letter. The Indian commissioner wrote to me, and I quote, "We would, in addition, suggest that the library may be renamed as Tirot Singh Memorial Library." I think you have the hard copy with you.
Yes, Babu.
Yeah, the last sentence of the second para states that we would, in addition, suggest that the library may be renamed as Tirot Singh Memorial Library. So it is their suggestion.
It's only the library of the entire center.
Yes. A part of the center will become a library dedicated to Tirot Singh, for which they have suggested that it be renamed after him. So it's a huge achievement for Meghalaya and the first ever venture out of the country where we have a local hero celebrated.